friends, Candace Gillespie here with Candace's Canvases. Today I am going to show you a quick flip through of this flip book that I made for my pen pal Miyuki in Japan. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a joyful comment when you're done watching. For my mailing address and all my social media links and supplies used in this project, just head down to the description bar below and you can find all that stuff there. And if you're a part of Facebook, head on over to my Facebook group page, Crafters Anonymous by Candace's Canvases. It's a small community now, but my goal is to build it up to where lots of people share their photos and projects and everybody gets inspired, and it's just a place of encouragement. So let's dive in. Even though I left about 1/4 of an inch of gusset room, it's still very chunky, but I love these paper tassels, how they turned out. If you want to know how I made those, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to do a quick tutorial on that. There are lots of tutorials out there already though. This is just a jumbo paper clip that I got at Michael's, and I put some ribbon on it. And then this little envelope has a button on it, and it has some tiny doilies in there. And it's stuck down. I glued some washi so that it's ever sticky, you know, she can stick it and open it, stick it and open it. So this pocket and the pocket in the back are just parts of one of my kids' storybooks that they tore to pieces. So I thought, you know, I'm going to use those in my project. Just adds character. This is her letter, the letter I wrote. This is just a wand that I put a heart-shaped rosette on. And then it flips open, and the center piece flips up and then it flips down. So up here on the top there's that tiny rosette. Down here there's some super cute patterned post-it notes, and everything is stuck on very lightly so she can use every piece on here. These are just some old packaging that I used my fuse tool. See in the back, it's just some washi tape, so she can just peel those up and take them out. I made a bunch of little pockets out of this polka dotted paper, some tiny envelopes. See, it's just stuck on there with washi. I made some tags. Here's some origami bows that I made for her. And she is a tea drinker. The only teas that I have that were in packages, you know how sometimes they come in a box and they're all like in the bags without the little individual packages. These were the only ones that I have that had the bags on them. Then on this side, oh yeah, did I say she's a tea fan? So here's another page out of my son's Paw Patrol book. Here's a washi sample. Another wand in the shape of a heart. And then this is just a set of tags that I made. A little shaker tag. And then this is my mail tag. And that sums up Happy Mail sent to Miyuki. Super fun to make. If you want to know how I made this flip book, just let me know and I'll be happy to do a quick tutorial on that for you also. And thanks so much for stopping by, crafty friends. I hope you have a wonderful day and we'll talk again soon. Bye!